Hey guys,
welcome back
to my YouTube channel, and my name is Lauren, and today we're going to be making slime, and it's going to be a great time. So let's just get started.
We're gonna go get the materials.
Yeah.
Wow, we're back. We got all this stuff. Look at all this nonsense. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh. All organized. Okay, so we're back.
I spilled glitter everywhere.
Wasn't me. It was the guy in the pink shirt. Okay, let's start. So
Okay.
I've never made this before.
I'm doing research to find out what to do. So in our bowls, we mix 1 ounce, about 1/4 of the glue bottle.
1/4.
I don't know that.
1/4 of the glue bottle.
Like that much?
I'm a chef. I know what I'm doing. 1/4. That's 1/4 right there. Woo! Almost spilled it.
There. 1 cup of hot water and 1 teaspoon of borax.
Back with the hot water.
Yes.
Burn myself a bit.
Wasn't prepared.
Okay.
Now we need borax. 1 teaspoon. Dude, you're spilling everywhere.
Well, that's the whole point of the cleanup after.
Okay.
Celebrating 125 years. Why the name 20 Mule Team? Teams of mules were used to move millions of pounds of borax from remote Mojave. Originally, teams of 8 and 10 mules were used, but the trek proved too much. As a man named...
What the heck?
Oh my god, so much!
And mix it. You have to mix it.
I did mix
Until
it.
It dissolves. Just keep mixing it.
It's dissolved. Oh wait, 1/4 of the glue? How big is the glue? 1/4 depends on how much the glue is.
Yeah, okay, let's just do a lot.
Let's just do the entire bottle.
Wait, our race is the thing?
With the cup here.
Wait, what are we supposed to be doing? I'm so confused.
I don't know.
This is not how I made slime.
So I think that this is cool. Is it cool now? That's what we were at.
No.
So right now she's making a test batch of slime to make sure it works.
Wait, what'd you say if it gets rubbery? Rubbery?
Add lotion. Maybe we need to add water to it before we add that.
Our test slime is like, oh my god.
It's working kind of good. We're figuring stuff out.
It's
It's kind of stretchy, kind of sticky.
very sticky. It's a mess, really.
So we're just gonna add in a little bit of this because it looked like in the video she didn't add in a lot. Like that much.
You know what's that?
We're gonna mix it.
Now we're slowly putting the borax. I don't know what slime is anymore. It's looking pretty good.
Yeah, I think we're almost there.
Like about 4 tablespoons in.
I put like three spoons.
So we used 4 ounces of glue, 2 tablespoons of water, and then just stir and you put around 4 tablespoons of borax mixed with water. Oh my goodness.
Mine's turning good. Dude, what did we do? I think we might have added too much of that.
No.
I'm gonna
Mine's
keep doing
I don't
this.
think mine has enough.
Yeah, you definitely did more of it. You should have kept it in the container if it's at that consistency. That unable to get off. Put more of that in.
This feels so good.
Dude, I think mine's good, but mine's really like sticky still, like slippery.
You just gotta keep on kneading it.
Yeah. Wait, we have to do that thing that all the channels do where they go like... It's still sticky.
It's top of the line.
It's making like... That sounds like slime!
A majority of the slime is on my hand.
I put in more water, now it's like stretchy a lot.
Nice.
Ryan! No!
What do you want?
I dropped my slime on the floor! I think my slime's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna add food coloring. Okay, I'm gonna make a nice little purple. Dude, look at my slime is like a marble. Now you guys can see the slime better. Good.
No.
Okay, looks like I'm just gonna add it. We're just gonna add the cornstarch and see what it
Yeah,
does.
do it to mine. Do it to mine. So you don't ruin yours.
Maybe you need to add more of this borax stuff.
Don't put it on her. Tiny bit, tiny bit.
Let's use this.
Go faster.
If anything fails, just add glitter. Do you want some glitter?
Not really.
Comment down below what he's doing wrong.
Everything. This is non-internal fluid. I messed up everything.
You gotta do so much of that.
Yeah. Wait, what does this do again?
Oh, that makes it harder? Stickier, I guess?
Makes it stickier?
No, it makes it tougher. Okay, that's all the slime fun we had for today. And yeah, it kind of turned out to be really bad, a fail. It was at least a semi-good time. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on the video. And I'll see you guys next video.
All the other kids with the bumped up kids, you better run, now run, my gun. All the other kids with the bumped